Now, Xiaoli wanted to buy a dress. She saw a pink dress on sale at 10% and a yellow dress at 20%. Both dresses had the same discounted price. That means after discount, they have the same price. Let me increase the size. So to buy both dresses, Xiaoli needs 16 more than what she had. She bought the yellow dress and had $92 left. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to find out the price. What was the discount given for the yellow dress? I know Tadeo tried but didn't get it correct. How about Samuel and Isaac? Did you manage to do this? Question? No. Oh no, Samuel no. Isaac there? Oh, eh? Huh? It's not 12 lah. Wrong 12 is wrong. Yeah, part A, Isaac, part A. Part A is what? Part A answer is $27. $27. Isaac. 27.
Yes, you are so you sent me a wrong answer here.
Yeah, what do you mean? Okay, it's $27. So part B, in case you're done, how much money did Sally have at first? $200 at first. Okay, without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the question. So Xiaoli is a boy, sorry, it's a girl, right? She saw a pink dress on sale. Now there are two dresses. To buy both, Xiaoli needs 16 more. So she bought the yellow dress and had $92 left. Now this is a bit of a English thing here. To buy both, she needs $16 more than what she had. Then she bought the yellow dress and had $92 left. So what we do is we draw a diagram. Alright, so let's draw a diagram. This diagram is the amount of money that she has right now. I think a diagram will be easy to visualize this. So this is the amount of money that she has right now. Okay, this blue box. So to buy both, she needs 16 more. This 16 is to buy 2. Right? That means blue color plus.
Sorry. I was pressing undo.
Okay, so to buy both, she needs the blue box plus 16. So she bought the yellow and had 92 left. So yellow, let's put the yellow here. So the yellow dress costs this amount. Okay, the yellow color box, yellow dress costs that amount. And she had 92 left. Very good. Tadeo is drawing ahead of me. What's A2? What's A2? 92. Yeah, 92 is until here. So what this means is, this part is the pink dress. This part, yeah, is the pink color dress. Got it? So by drawing a diagram, we can immediately see how much a pink dress cost. Got it? So the pink dress costs 108. The yellow dress also costs 108. So what was the discount given for the pink dress? Now the discount for the pink was 10%. Sorry, we want the yellow. Yellow was 20%. What's that? 10 over 100 times? No. No. Okay, Tadeo, wait first. Cancel that part first. Yeah. Wait. Sorry, Tadeo, let me cancel this part first. This one don't want. Wait. Okay, later you annotate, okay? Later you annotate, okay? Let me do first, So if you take 92 plus 16 equals 108, that's the price of pink dress. Now this is the price after discount. So there was a discount of 20%. That means this 108, oops, this 108 is equivalent to 80% the price. 108 is 80% the price. 100% for each dress is the same. No, 100% is not the same. They got a discount and then they became the same. Okay, Isaac. After discount, they became the same. So 108 is 80% of pink dress. I want to find maybe 10%. So to find 10%, I divide by 8. So 108 divided by 8 divided by 8. We got $13.50. All right, so 100%. But the discount was 20%. So I just want to find 20%. It's just $27. So the discount is $27 for the pink dress. So part B, how much money did Sally have at first? That's the easy part actually. Because the amount of money is the blue color thing, and we know that this part is 108. This is 108. So for part B, I'm just going to write here. We take 108 plus 92. It's $200. Okay? So the B is just $200. Honestly, this is not too bad. It's just drawing a diagram to see how it works. Okay, move on, next one. Next one, is this okay? I'm going to move on to the next one. All right. How you get 1350? Oh, divide by 8. Here to here, divide by 8. Here also. Because 108 is 80%, so I divide by 8 to, to get the other one. Okay, can I go on the next question? Okay, moving on to the next one. Yes, 4 marks. Here. Okay, any answer they want me to check? So far for this paper, we have seen value and units before and after units and parts.
16B.
16B done. It's here. So, just one line only.
Wait.
560, no.
Do not trust my brother.
No problem.
Done.
Done. Okay, next. Okay, what do you get? Daddy, what do you get for this?
Ask someone else, please. I need to check my answers correct first.
Any answer to check? I just checked Isaac's one. Isaac's one's not correct. How about Teddy or Samuel? Do you have any answer you want to share with me? No answer. How about Teddy? What are you doing? 144. Yeah, 144 is correct. 144 is correct. Okay? You don't have to draw a diamond. Alrighty, so we go through together, right? Mrs. Stacy packed and sold chocolates in big boxes of 8 and small. Oh, this type. It's big boxes of 8 and small boxes of 5. Yeah, okay. Okay, so, okay. Stop annotating now. Cannot already. I need to use the screen. Okay, there were twice as many small as big. So I got small is to big. 2 units, 1 units. Okay? Twice. This is at first. She sold half the number of small boxes and some big boxes. So minus 1 left 1. Minus 1 unit left 1 unit. This one minus question mark. Alright, she had 320. So this 1U minus question mark. Okay, so she sold half the number of box small and some big. She had 320 left. So this total is 320. Small versus big is like this. Right? That's the story so far. So the number of chocolates left in the small was 3 times the number of chocolates left in the big. Okay, now the number in the small is 3 times. Now each small box has 5. Right? Each big box has 8. Find the total number of big and small boxes Mrs. Daisy used to pack all the chocolates. Alright, so what we can do is we can find VU first. What do we mean by VU? Small is to big. Now instead of using the number of boxes, I times the value. What's the value? The value is the V. It's the number of chocolates inside the box. So if I were to take this two, I'm gonna write a new. Oops. Okay, new equation here. So these 2 units, right? Because each box has 5, so it becomes 10 VU. Got it? Because 2 times 5, so that's 10. And then after that, this big one. The big one is actually 8, so it's 8 VU. And then after that, here minus 1 VU, so minus 5 VU. We left with 5 VU. So they say that the number here is 3 times. So this is actually 5 over 3 VU left. Okay, VU means I multiply with the number of chocolates inside. And this number is actually equal to 320. Okay, so if I take 5 plus 5 over 3 is equivalent to 320. So this is 1 and 2 thirds. So 6 and 2/3 VU is 320. I can find 1 VU first. So it is 1 VU. 320 divided by 6, 2, 3, 48. So 1 VU is 48. What are we supposed to do? Find the total number of big and small boxes. So 10 VU is 480. 8 VU, it's 48 times 8, 384. Right? So the number of big and small boxes Now what I have found here, is the number of cookies here, and this one is the number of cookies here. But they don't want the number of cookies. They want the number of, can use units and parts, cannot. Units and parts cannot do. Alright, so what we want to, this is value and units. So what we want to do now is to find the number of small cookies, boxes. Because there are 10 boxes of them, and then, there are 480 of them, and each small box of 5. So we take 480 divided by 5. So small box, there are 96 small boxes. For the big box, there's 384 of them. So we take 384 divided by 8. 48. So total number add together plus 96. It's 144 boxes. That's it. This is a slightly more difficult value and units VU. Instead of using diagram, or instead of just simply value units, they have a bit of a before and after mix into this thing. So it's a bit hard to visualize, okay? A bit hard to see, but it's fine. Just use VU, concept VU to do. Okay, done. Let's copy this first. This is value and units, right? VU, 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 VU. VU. Then what is the difference? Okay, wait, I gotta call. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Enough. Right? Mother Nature doesn't talk like that, okay? Mother Nature voice is more motherly. This one is too roboty. Okay, unless Isaac can make a more motherly Mother Nature, then if not, I don't think that's Mother Nature.
How are you today?
Must be more motherly.
Hello, how are you today? I am
Okay.
Mother Nature.
Yeah, Mother Nature. Okay, we look at this one. Okay, question 17 is a difficult math problem sum. Gotta take out my spectacles, can't see properly. Okay, we look at this first, right? I know Stadio got this correct, but we shall look at it, okay? So an egg seller had a total of 2,400 chicken eggs and quail eggs. So these are two different types of eggs. He accidentally broke some quail and threw them away. He decided to add another 150 chicken to his supply. As a result, the number of quail decreased by 5 and the total number of eggs increased by 4.5. How many chicken eggs did he have at first? An egg seller had a total of 2,400 chicken eggs and quail eggs. He accidentally broke some quail and had to throw them away. He decided to add another 150 chicken eggs. Okay, so let's work out and see, right? So we have chicken and quail. What's the difference? One big, one small, right? Mother Nature busy now. All right. So egg seller, he accidentally broke some quail. He decided to add another 150, so plus 150. As a result, the number of quail eggs decreased by 5%. So let's say we have 100 units here. So, wait a minute. It's not a bit. Must work backwards. The number of quail eggs decreased by 5%. and the total number of eggs increased by 4.5. How many chicken eggs did he have at first? He decided to add another 150 chicken eggs. As a result, the number of quail eggs decreased by 5. Now, if it's decreased by 5, that means here is 95%. No, it's not 95%, sorry. Decreased by 5, and the total number of eggs increased by 4.5. So let's start with increase of 4.5%. So 104, because 2,400 is 100%, right? So I can find 1% first. Right, to find 1%, divide by 100, so that's 24. So 4.5% is a different 100% type of question, right? Percentage questions are going to be very important because there are a lot of things that are not tested anymore. So things like percentage becomes more important. So 24 times 4.5, it's 108. Okay, so 4.5% now becomes 108. That means originally there were 24 total. Wait, at first total 2400. Then the new total became 2508. Alright. Now this is also after adding 150. So before adding 150, if you take break it down. If you take 2508, you minus 150. 2508 minus 150. We get 2358. 2358. Now 2358 is here. Right. Now, is there anything? Did she break any chicken eggs? No, she did not break any chicken eggs. Okay, but she broke some quail. So after breaking some quail eggs, the number of eggs left became 2358, which means we can now find the number of quail eggs broken. Okay, what is the number of quail eggs broken? Two, three, five, sorry. 400 minus 2358. So that is 42. Okay, so the broken eggs is 42. Now this 42 happens to be 5% of the number of quail because after breaking 42, it became 5% less, correct? Now if 5% is 42, 5% is 42, 1% is divided by 5. There's a bit of decimal, but it doesn't matter because 100% it's 840. So there are actually 840 quail eggs at first. Okay? It sounds intentional. What do you mean? So 100% is 840. So number of quail egg is 840. So how many chicken eggs do you have at first? Okay. So if quail is 840, to find the number of chicken at first, 2400 minus 840 equals 1560. Okay. So over here, there's no heuristic or whatever. It's simply percentage. But it's quite a difficult one, to be honest, right? Because of the story changes, there's a before, after, then 100% change. Yeah, right, the 100% change. So it's a bit tough. Good job if you got it correct. Okay, if not, because I didn't actually give you time to do, so it's fine, right? I will just do 2 more difficult question. We look at question 16. What did Daniel get for 16? 16. Yeah, it's correct. How about let's check 14, 15. Uh-huh. 14, Daniel got wrong.
What?
14 wrong. Okay, so we do 14 next. Can you copy this? Samuel and Isaac, have you copied this? What is fraction or shaded? The answer is 1/4.
Yeah.
Yeah. The part A is 1/4. You got it right.
Wait, maybe 36 times 4.
Yep.
144 divided by 2.
Uh,
Is it 72?
yeah, 72.
Woohoo!
Elvish.
Oh, is this a fantasy language?
What? Is it the Harry Potter thing? No, not Harry Potter thing. Okay, we try and do, okay? Let's try and do this. Question 13. So the figure below is made of 4 identical triangles within 2 identical squares. So maybe it's a bit hard to see. Where's the square? It's visualized, right? Square is here. 1, 2. This is the square, right? So this is 1 square. Just clear it off. So there are 2 of them. 2 squares here. So next. Wait. Okay, so B, C, F, G, J are midpoints. So the middle of all of them of the square. So what fraction of the figure is shaded? This 1/4. Wait. Now how do we know it's 1/4? Now the clue is this. One way is you can assign number. Because it's a square, you can call this 1 cm, 1 cm. So here is 2 cm, here is wait, I can chop it off, right? Like this. So here is 1 cm, 1 cm, here 1 cm, here also 1 cm. Can you see that? So you can assign numbers, and once you have assigned a number, you can try to find the area. Let's try to find the area of a shaded triangle. So the area of one shaded triangle is half times 1 times 1, which gives me half. Half times 1 times 1 is half. So each shaded triangle is half. Okay, each shaded is half. So there are 4 of them. So if I take half times 4, I get 2 cm squared. This is just an example. Okay, but you can assign numbers because it works, right? Each one is 1, 1, 1, 1. So the total area of the shaded triangle is 2. Then what about the area of the whole thing, right? Now, if it is really 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, the area of the whole thing, right? You see here is 1, here is 1, here is 2. It's just 4 times 2, which is 8 cm squared. So the area of the shaded part is actually 2 out of 8. So it's 1/4. So that is part A. Now, once again, it's not exactly 1 cm, right? But I'm using 1 as an example to help find the fraction. Because fraction doesn't care about what's the unit, you know? Oh, really? Yeah. You can, how about divide 2 by half? You divide 2 by half is 1, huh? How does it work? Okay. So how about B? Now, if the total area is 36, what's the area of the square? The area of the shaded part is 36. So 36 is half of the, sorry, 36 is 1/4, right? So what's the area of the whole thing? Times 4, multiply by 4 first. So 36 times 4, you get 144. Now 144 is the area of the whole thing, the entire thing. And if I want to find the area of a square, because it's made out of 2 squares, right? So you take 144 divided by 2, I get 72. So 72 is the area of 1 square. That's it. Okay, it's done. Next one.
I didn't give up, I was just spectating a fight.
Mother Nature has gone mad. Okay, let's look at any other difficult problem sums. Let me see. Sorry? Oh, 12, that is also wrong. Wow, you're getting a lot of errors. Your problem sum. 12A. Your 12A is wrong, 12B is correct. Okay, let's look at this. 12. Two birds wrestling? What talking about? Isaac. Seriously. Isaac, stay home too long, is it? Need to go out and take a walk, alright? Go and take a walk. Okay, what two birds wrestling? What are you talking about? Oh man. Outside the house. Okay. How they wrestle? Huh? The hand hold each other. That what? Or use the big poke each other. Okay, we look at 12. 12, this is a Tadio. Tadio got it wrong. Your B is correct, your A is wrong. Okay, the figure below not drawn is made of an equilateral triangle PQT. So equilateral triangle means all sides same. We left with 5 minutes, right? Let's do this last one, okay? Final one to go. Yeah, 5 minutes. Oops. Okay, so PQT is an equilateral triangle. PQT. That means here 60 degrees. There's also 60 degrees, right? And the rhombus QRST. QRST 82. That means here also 82. Okay, that's the rhombus. So find RPQ. Okay, RPQ, you need to take note that this is an isosceles. So triangle RPQ is isosceles triangle. Okay, triangle RPQ is an isosceles triangle. If I take 180 minus 60 minus 82, 180 minus 60 minus 82, I get 38 degrees. Oops. 38 degrees. Right, 38 must divide by 2. RPQ. So 38 degrees divided by 2 is 19. Right? So A is just 19 degrees. Okay? Because of the isosceles triangle. Next one, find the angle STP. So STP is this big angle here. Okay, so I know that this is 60 degrees and I want to find this one, which is angle STQ. So angle STQ is equal to 180 minus 82. Why? Because this is a parallel. It's a rhombus, so it's parallel. So 180 minus 82, 98. Again, 98 degrees. So this one is 98 degrees. Okay, so 98 degrees there, plus 60. So angle STP 98 plus 60, 158. Okay, and that's the final answer for this particular question. 3 more minutes. Yeah. Now I don't have any. I don't want to do another one already. I think we can stop here. Okay. So this will be the last question. Annotate time. Yeah, you can draw. Right. You know, y'all drew an art piece last week. I put it in my Facebook.
No.
Your annotation, ma. Come on. Yes, I put it there, right?
Show me.
Wait, where is it? Wait, how to go to my Facebook? Where is it? No, not this one. Okay, I don't know where is it. Yeah, your last picture. Last picture looks like yeah, it looks like this. Okay, and then a lot of red color, white color lines all over the place. I say that is my P6 students' masterpiece. To show how artistic they are. Okay, so today please draw another art piece to show how artistic you are. Right, you have 2 more minutes because the other teacher is coming in already. 2 minutes to artify your worksheet. Okay, this looks like marble. This. Okay, let's see what they comment. Oh, this is a spear and a shield. Yeah. Snapshot. What's this? One more minute. Last minute to go. Let me help you by erasing some stuff. Whee! Okay. That's it, people. That's all. You can't win me. The eraser wins. You know, there's one way to win me, but you all must coordinate your efforts, right? Eraser wins all the time. Because my eraser can only go one place at a time, you see? You see, I'm